All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the microphones on the iPod Pro first generation or the AirPod Pro first generation. I said the wrong name there. It is what it is. And I gotta send a big shout out and a big thank you to Google because the Google Pixel 6a coming in clutch here today. For some strange reason, I could not get the audio to pass through on my Samsung device. Like I can connect the earbuds to my Samsung device, but I couldn't get the audio to pass through. Like it wouldn't let me do it. But I fired it up on the Pixel 6a and the audio should be passing through no problem. So thank you, Google, for having that audio pass through that's more universally compatible than even Samsung. I appreciate it. But today, in today's video, we're going to test out the microphones on the AirPods Pro first generation in two different scenarios. The first one is going to be this scenario right here, an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second scenario is going to be a simulated crowdy or noisy environment. Now, uh, a little apology here ahead of time. It is 95 degrees outside. Okay, so I do have the AC for the house going. I do have my ceiling fan going. I was not gonna turn off everything just to record this video. No, it's too hot for that. I'm not gonna be toasty. Nah. So you will hear the AC running and you may be able to hear my ceiling fan going. I apologize. It's too hot for that. It's 90 something degrees outside, almost 100 with humidity. Now we got to keep that AC on. But other than that, I will try to make this as noise free or as close to noise free as I can get it. But so far, this entire video has been being recorded using the microphones on the AirPods Pro first generation. And this is the first scenario, a close to noise free scenario as I can get it. Okay, so let me know what you guys and gals think. Okay, now I have some crowd noise pulled up in the background on my TV on my Roku here, and we're going to push play and we're going to use this to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment. So I'm going to push play. I'm going to let it run for a few seconds. I'm going to continue to talk at my normal volume, at my normal cadence, and then we'll see how the earbuds perform or the AirPods Pro perform. Okay, let's go. Let me push play now. Let this run for a little bit. Okay, that should do it. And now I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, at my normal cadence, as if I was having a regular indoor conversation with someone. And this is what the microphones sound like on the AirPods Pro first generation in a crowdy or noisy environment. Okay? I won't actually know how this sounds until I watch the video back in post, but you guys and gals, let me know what you think. All right, that does it for this one. We push stop on the cloud noise now. And now we're back to an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Now that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. But real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know and see how I have everything set up. So recording the video here today, we are using a combination of the front and the rear facing cameras on the Google Pixel 6a. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio input set up. As I said, that's how we're capturing all the audio from the AirPods Pro first generation. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is throw some B-roll in post now, letting y'all see how I have everything set up. So you can see all I did was connect up the AirPods Pro first generation to my Google Pixel 6a, okay? And I just verified that it was connected. All right. Then I jumped into the stock Google Pixel camera application, switched it over to video, and then I went and just made sure that the Bluetooth pass-through audio was working. Now, when I tried to do the same thing on my Samsung device, it would not let me initiate the Bluetooth audio connection, but it will let me initiate that connection on my Pixel device. That's why I said what I said. Okay, so at that point, I just verified that the Bluetooth audio was connected. Okay, and then I went ahead and set the volume on the TV behind me here. I set it to 18%. And then I just pushed record and started recording today's video. So that's how I set up the entirety of today's video. So, that being said, that does it for today, everyone. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. If this video piqued your interest and you'd like to see more coverage on the AirPods Pro first generation, please check out the links that will be available down below in the video description. If this video also piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these AirPods at some really great prices, I'll have all of my affiliate links located down below in the video description as well. So you can get your AirPods Pro first generation using those affiliate links. And I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel. And that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals. And you should be good to go. All right. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right. That Pixel 6a coming in clutch today, saving the whole video. That's what I like to see. All right. Catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.